Tired of your tiger nut drink going bad in just a day or two? What if I told you that you can make a creamy natural sweet Kunu Aya, and even with a tropical twist, pineapple and spices, that stays fresh for up to 7 days, no chemical, no stress? Whether you're meal prepping, detoxing, or just love clean delicious drinks, this one is for you. Hello healthy food lovers, welcome back to kristyyumfoods, where healthy foods and active lifestyle is our top priority. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Also like and share your thoughts in the comment box below. If you don't want to miss out on any healthy tips and benefits, do watch till the end. Here is what you will need for this long-lasting tiger nut drink magic. 1 is your fresh pineapple, soaked tiger nuts, coconut, this is optional though, dates for natural sweetness, ginger and cloves for natural preservatives. You will also be needing water and a blender, vinegar and so on. Let's go straight into the recipe. Before prepping the dates, soak your tiger nut in water overnight or for at least 8 hours, adding some vinegar. If you have watched our previous videos on how to start up your tiger nut drink business or how to make a long-lasting tiger nut drink, you will know that we don't joke with using our vinegar in soaking the tiger nuts. Let's begin by prepping the pineapple. We have different videos on all you need to know about tiger nut drink and preservation. 1. We have a video on long-lasting tiger nut drink. 2. We have tiger nut drink that stays fresh for long with beetroot. 3. We also have a video on how to preserve tiger nut drink for 2 months with banana. And we also have a video on 5 powerful natural preservatives for tiger nut drink and many more. So check out the link in the description box below. There you will find all the videos. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in our exclusive ebooks or cookbooks, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solutions, plus our online classes which guides you step by step. So check out the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Now back to the video. When the pineapple is ready, then let's go into prepping of our dates for natural sweetness. Break the dates and remove the seeds. By selecting the seeds, be very careful so as not to have any of the seeds left inside the dates, because this will damage your blender or your grinding machine. I mean the seeds. The next ingredient we will be prepping is coconut. For this pineapple tiger nut recipe, coconut is optional, but it is highly recommended for that creamy taste. Now let's prep the ginger and cloves. They are our natural preservatives. You don't have to peel off the skin, just wash very well until all the dirt are all gone, and then you cut into smaller pieces like that. That is the wet ginger. We are using the wet ginger for this recipe. After cutting into smaller pieces, here is what we have. For the sake of this video, we will be making the smaller portion of the pineapple tiger nut drink, but check out the description box below. There you will find the ingredient for both the large quantity and the smaller quantity of pineapple tiger nut drink. Once your tiger nut is well washed and clean, then in a blender, add soaked tiger nuts, chopped pineapples, ginger, cloves, and dates. Add enough water to blend smoothly. Let's check out the most important part, which is the preservation. Here is the secret to making your Kunu Aya last longer. The ginger and cloves helps fight spoilage naturally. So, store the drink in airtight bottles and keep them in the fridge, and boom, you've got a refreshing, healthy drink that stays fresh for up to 7 days. Also, don't forget to watch our videos on how to make long-lasting Tigernut drinks that stays up to 2 months, how to start up a Tigernut business, and how to make your Tigernut drinks stay fresh for longer. Check out the link in the description box below again to find those videos. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. You want that smooth, creamy juice, no particles at all. Here is another tip. Blend the pulp again to get more juice. You can just add in some water, just a little water to the pulp, and go into the blender and then blend it once again to get more juice. And that will be more profit for those that want to use it for commercial purpose. Have you subscribed? Not yet? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. So creamy, naturally sweet, and that little spice kick. The taste is so perfect. You will never want to buy bottled juice again. This pineapple Tigernut drink is not just tasty, it is packed with fiber, vitamins, and natural energy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy natural recipes. Let us know in the comments, will you be trying this pineapple Kunu Aya with spices, or do you have your own secret ingredient? Let us talk in the comments. You can also follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Stay fresh, stay natural, and see you in the next video.